What's up, automotive enthusiasts? Today we're getting up close and personal with something that might just change your mind about electric SUVs forever. The 2025 Škoda Enyaq Coupé Sportline. This isn't just another electric crossover. This is Škoda proving that style, performance, and practicality can coexist in the electric age. Let's start with what hits you first, that stunning silhouette. The Enyaq Coupé Sportline takes the already sleek Enyaq shape and dials it up to 11. That swooping roofline isn't just for show either. This thing cuts through the air with a drag coefficient of just 0.225, making it the most aerodynamic model in Škoda's entire lineup. That's seriously impressive, and it plays a huge role in the car's range and performance. Up front, the Sportline treatment gives the new modern solid design language an extra dose of attitude. The glossy black tech deck face looks absolutely menacing, especially with those LED matrix headlights and that striking light band with vertical eyelashes. Škoda's gone all in with the black accents here. The window trim, roof rails, wing mirror caps, and even the Škoda lettering all get the dark treatment. Rolling on standard 20-inch Vega alloy wheels in metallic black, the Coupe Sportline looks ready to pounce. And if you want to make an even bigger statement, you can opt for the massive 21-inch Supernova wheels. Combined with the sloping roofline and muscular proportions, this might be the best-looking electric SUV under 50 grand. Let's talk power. You've got three options, and none of them are slouches. The entry-level Enyaq Coupé 60 Sportline comes with a 150 kilowatt rear motor and a 63 kilowatt-hour battery. Step up to the 85 Sportline, and you're looking at a meaty 210 kilowatt motor paired with an 82 kilowatt-hour battery pack. But the star of the show? That's the 85X Sportline with its dual motor setup delivering all-wheel drive grip and serious performance. Range is where this slippery shape really pays off. Thanks to that class-leading aerodynamics, the Enyaq Coupé Sportline can travel over 590 kilometers on a single charge. And when you do need to top up, you won't be waiting long. The larger battery versions support 175 kilowatt DC fast charging, meaning you can go from 10 to 80% in just 28 minutes. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in what might be the sweetest spot between luxury and sportiness in the electric SUV segment. The Sportline-specific interior comes with black sports seats, featuring integrated headrests, wrapped in a premium combination of suede microfiber and artificial leather. The gray contrast stitching adds just the right amount of visual pop, and the driver's seat comes with a massage function as standard. The tech game is strong here too. You get a 13-inch infotainment display that looks like it's floating above the dash, along with a 5-inch digital instrument cluster. The new My Škoda app takes connectivity to another level, giving you access to over 800,000 charging points across Europe and letting you park your car remotely using just your smartphone. Despite that swooping roofline, practicality hasn't been forgotten. You still get 570 liters of boot space with the seats up, expanding to 1,610 liters when you fold them down. Driving dynamics is where the Sportline really shines. Standard adaptive dampers let you switch between comfort and sport modes, completely changing the character of the car. The steering is precise and well-weighted, and in the all-wheel drive 85X version, you've got the kind of all-weather capability that makes this a true year-round performance machine. Safety tech? It's all here. You get predictive adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, and side assist as standard. The LED matrix headlights, also standard on the Sportline, are clever enough to maintain full beam without dazzling other road users. The new remote park assist can even park the car for you while you stand outside with your smartphone. Prices start at around 44,000 euros, which might seem like a lot until you stack it up against the competition. This is a fully electric, high-performance SUV coupe, with the kind of tech and features you'd expect to find in something wearing a premium German badge and costing 20 grand more. So what's the verdict on the 2025 Škoda Enyaq Coupé Sportline? This isn't just a style exercise or a half-hearted attempt at a sporty electric SUV. This is a genuinely well-executed performance vehicle that happens to be electric. It looks fantastic, drives brilliantly, and offers the kind of range that makes it a viable option for even the most demanding drivers. That's a wrap on our look at the 2025 Škoda Enyaq Coupé Sportline. If you want to see more reviews of the latest performance EVs, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about Škoda's sleek electric performer. Until next time, drive safe and stay charged. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.